In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your store address in Shopify. This is really useful if you've moved locations, updated your business details, or simply made a mistake when you first set things up. Your store address is important because Shopify uses it for billing, invoices, and certain tax calculations. So you want to make sure it's always accurate and up to date. First, log into your Shopify account and go to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home screen you see after signing in, where you can view your orders, products, and recent activity. Make sure you're on the correct store, especially if you manage more than one Shopify store under the same account. From the dashboard, look toward the bottom left-hand corner of the screen for the settings option. Go ahead and click on settings. This will open a new page with a variety of configuration options for your store, including things like payments, checkout, and shipping. Within settings, you'll be on the general settings area where your store details are shown. Here, find the section that displays your current billing address. Next to that billing address, you'll see a small pen or edit icon. Click on that pen icon to start editing your store's address information. This is what tells Shopify where your business is officially located for billing purposes. Once the edit window is open, you'll see a drop-down for the country or region at the top of the address section. If you've changed countries, click on that drop-down and select the new country you want to use. If your country is staying the same, you can leave this as it is and move on. Keep in mind that changing countries can sometimes affect currency, taxes, and localization, so be sure you're selecting the correct one. Now, just below the country field, you'll see the address fields. Here is where you enter your new address. Carefully type in your street address, apartment or unit number if needed, city, state or province, postal or zip code, and any other required details. Double check everything for accuracy, especially the postal code, because errors here can cause billing or verification issues later. When you're happy with the updated information, scroll down to the bottom of that section and click on the Save button. Shopify will process your changes and update your store's billing address. That's all you need to do. Your Shopify store address has now been successfully updated.